So click done. Can you done? Oh,
Hola, soy Mera. Hola, soy Mera. Hola, soy Mera. Loves, gabi na naman. Ouch, ouch. Ngayon naman tayo na lotion tong ating serum. Night. Good for night. Saan ba yung night dito? Hindi ko makita kung saan yung nakalagay yung night niya. Pero nandito sa likuran niya, apply daily to the entire body after bathing or showering. This product is best to use at night time. O ba?
love you, ma.
Lux Organics Retinol and plus Gluta Youthful Radiance Whitening Serum Lotion features a lightweight, non-sticky, and moisturizing formula that helps brighten the skin to restore a naturally radiant complexion. Infused with retinol and glutathione to help firm and lighten the skin for a boost of youthful glow. With added benefits from nourishing peptides, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides to improve skin elasticity.
96 na yung mahal buton ako
Love you. Effectively locking in moisture. Indulge your skin with a concentrated serum lotion hybrid that helps provide long-lasting moisture by penetrating deeply into the skin, leaving you with brighter, softer, and smoother skin. O caution. For na naman natin tong lotion na to. Huwag natin kalimutang maglagay. Huwag natin kalimutang lagyan yung ating kamay. Super nice. Bango. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. Ganda yung amoy. Super mabango. Yung kamay natin talagang okay na siya. Hindi na dry yung ating kamay. Diba? Huwag nyo kalimutang lagyan yung kamay nyo. Or naman, moisturize na moisturize. At huwag natin kalimutang lagyan yung ating dito. Dito lagyan na natin dito. Kasi nagda-dry siya palagi dito eh. Marami kasing mga alikabok sa labas. Kaya nag-dry siya. Tapos ng team. Maraming mga dumi.